Hi gorgeous, Carrie here with the Brow Bar by Reema Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Drama Queen. This palette is seriously so versatile and limitless in all the beautiful makeups you can create. Today I was taking Drama Queen to the next level and doing the fox eye makeup trend. This look is super fierce and I hope you join along in my tutorial and create it with me. Make sure to start out with a clean face before applying foundation and concealer. I'm going into the Drama Queen palette and setting my face with the translucent powder. You will get gorgeous brows with the Brow Bar by Reema Pro Definer pencil. I'm going in and feathering in with the pencil and then cleaning up with concealer. Starting out the eyes today, we are using the contour shade in the Drama Queen palette and a really sharp upward angle for the eyeshadow. I'm blending it in here and you can see I'm adding a little bit near my nose and the inner corner of the eye. It's going to give a dramatic effect. And I'm using the darkest shade next to darken everything up a little bit. Continuing with the darkest shade of eyeshadow, I'm going under the eye and taking it and bringing it a little bit lower than my inner corner, and you can see this is what gives it that fox-like appearance. Then I am taking the translucent powder and kind of blending everything out. Grab a small eyeliner brush and your brow lift from Brow Bar by Reema and create a triangular shape in your inner corner. That's going to brighten up the corner and really give us a great shape for the fox eye. I'm taking this golden shimmer shadow in the Drama Queen palette and going under my brow bone. And then using the Flawless Eyeliner Gel in black and an angled brush to create my wings. To really clean up the eye makeup, go ahead and take some concealer and then translucent powder and give a sharp angled line. I'm topping off the eye makeup with these gorgeous Brow Bar by Reema lashes and then going in for my contour, my blush, and my highlight, all from the Drama Queen palette. Last but not least, our look is not complete without the True Shine Chrome Lipstick in Honey Buns. And your makeup is all done.
Honey, we need to calm down.